This is about the future.
Worst year ever for wildfires.
Wildfires.
Wildfire season is now officially the worst ever recorded.
Our future. Our actions are pushing the nature to a tipping point. The planet is collapsing. Wildfires of unprecedented intensity are destroying forests, releasing carbon stored by centuries in trees and soils. We hold the solutions to the effects of climate change in our hands. Today, I want to share with you how we can be part of the solution, and we put our expectations in the actions. We have identified natural forces defined by thousands of years of evolution, and we are using them in smart ways to restore whole forests and ecosystems. In our laboratories, we develop ice-seeds, capsules containing the seeds of native trees, shrubs and herbs that are the key to our mission. These capsules incorporate biotechnology to ensure the effective germination of the natural seed. We spread the ice-seeds in areas that need restoration using the latest drone technology, allowing us to sow thousands of trees in just one day, which is more operational and efficient than traditional tree planting practices. Our technology combined with the natural forces create an unsurpassed synergy. Join us in this mission. Let's work to restore the planet and build a sustainable future together. We are ReForest Latam. Protecting nature is protecting ourselves. The time is now.